lateral knee pain after running or cycling. It might be iliotibial band friction syndrome. Let's break it down. First, let's look at the normal iliotibial band. It's a thick fascial band that runs along the lateral thigh and is actually a thickening of the fascia lata. It has two main layers. The superficial layer is the main tendinous component and attaches to Gerdy's tubercle on the anterior lateral tibia. Normally, there's nothing unusual between the iliotibial band and the lateral femoral condyle. But in this case on the left, you can see ill-defined edema in a compartment-like space surrounded by the iliotibial band laterally, the lateral femoral condyle and the lateral meniscus medially. This edema happens because of chronic friction between the iliotibial band and the lateral femoral condyle during repetitive knee movements like flexion and extension. On the axial image you'll notice edema in the fat between the iliotibial band and the femoral condyle and thickening and increased signal within the iliotibial band. Now let's look at a different case. Here you can see the lateral patellofemoral retinacular complex, aqua. The iliotibial band, green. You'll also notice joint effusion in the lateral joint recess, but more importantly, there's another fluid collection in the posterior aspect, separate from the joint effusion. This isn't just a simple joint effusion. It's actually an adventitial bursa formed due to iliotibial band friction syndrome. And that's how IT band friction syndrome presents on MRI. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. For an even better learning experience, I've created a special Notion page just for YouTube members.